Donald Trump says that he will talk to Hollywood executive after his earlier announcement to hit the film made in the foreign countries with the 100% tariff sent the shockwaves through the territory. Also, the United States President said on Sunday that he was authorizing the Commerce Department to start the process to impose the levy because America's film industry was dying a very fast death. Also, he appeared to soften his stance later on Monday, telling the reporters at the White House that he was going to meet with the industry partners to make sure that they are happy with this proposal. Also, for years, filmmakers have been leaving Hollywood for the destination, including the United Kingdom and Canada, to lower cost. Also, one non-US union said that the tariff plan would be a knockout blow to the international industry. Trump said on his Truth Social platform that it is, in addition to everything else, messaging and propaganda. We want movies made in America again. Also, the US Commerce Secretary, that is Howard Lutnick, responded to the announcement saying that we are on it, but the details are unclear. Trump's statement did not say whether the tariff would be applied to the American production companies producing the films abroad. Also, the White House spokesperson, that is Kush Desai, told the BBC, although no final decisions on the foreign film tariffs have been made, the administration is exploring all options to deliver on the President Trump's directive to safeguard our country's national and economic security while making Hollywood great again. Also, several recent major film producers by the United States studios were shot outside the America, also including the Deadpool and Wolverine, also Wicked and the Gladiator 2. It was also unclear if the tariffs would apply to the films on the streaming service such as the Netflix, as well as those shown at cinemas, and how that would be calculated. The founder of the European cinema chain, that is Vue, Timothy Ricard, also questioned how Trump would define a US film. Speaking a BBC Radio 4 Today program, he said that it is where the money comes from, the script, the director, the talent, where was it shot. Mr. Also Ricard told that the cost of the filming in the Southern California had grown significantly over the last few decades, prompting the filmmakers to move production to the location, including the United Kingdom, which have increasingly offered tax incentive and lower cost. But it's not just the actual financing itself, he added. One of the reasons the UK has done so well is that we have some of the most highly experienced and skilled films and production crew in the world. The devil will be in the details. Meanwhile, the UK Media Union, that is the BEC2, warned the tariff could also deal in the knockout blow to the industry and its tens of thousands of the freelancers as it recovered from the pandemic and the recent slowdown would be hit. We'll have to see how the issues